tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Daniel Tiger and the Fisher-Price Gumball Machine. And here are the gumballs. They're not gumballs you chew. They are roll-arounds by Fisher-Price, and they each have something different inside. Let's make sure the gumball machine works, Daniel Tiger. Push the lever. It lights up and makes some sounds. Let's put our gumballs in and count them in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Wait a minute. This isn't going to fit in the gumball machine. It is a cube. Our gumballs need to be round spheres. Woof, woof. What a cute little puppy. All right, Daniel, push the lever. I think there's one more gumball left. Uh-oh, it looks like our Daniel Tiger lost something. Do you know what it is? His tail. It fell off. But it's okay, we can put it back. There we go. It's time to say goodbye. But before we do, did you see our miniature Dora backpack somewhere early in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.